to go?
Yeah, I think we can start. Whoever else will join will
Mm.
just have to join us later. But yeah, uh, yeah. Welcome,
All
Leo.
right.
Yeah, welcome everyone to this evening's call. Um, yeah, so today is the day we kind of get onboarded on how to deploy on CROO marketplace um for AI agents. So yeah, welcome, Leo. Uh, we have a special group set aside internally just for the hackathon. So we've onboarded um, some builders. They may not even be on this call, but we have a whole thing running on the side just to facilitate this hackathon as Web3 clubs. Yeah.
Yeah, sounds great. Sounds great. Yeah, thank you, OG, and thank you, Asuka. Yeah, and I guess it's my turn to start to showcase like how to onboard agents to CROO. Yeah, cool. So first, I'd like to say a huge thank you to Web3 Developer Clubs to put all the things together. And since last time during the AMA, we already introduced our team and also why we build CROO. So today, I think we can just go directly about like how to onboard into CROO network. And before that, I guess we can introduce a little bit more about the technical structure of CROO, about what we are doing. So I guess then everybody can have a better understanding about our projects. And also today in our call, my colleague Ray is also here. He's our CTO. So he's here mainly to answer the questions because some of the more like technical side questions, I'm not really professional on that part. So I need Ray's help. But Ray's English is not perfect, so sometimes maybe I need to do the translation for him for answering the questions. So Ray, would you like also to say hi to everybody here?
Yeah. Thank you, Neil. Hi, everyone. I'm Ray, and great to see you guys. Hi.
Okay, nice. Thank you, Ray. And I guess I can share my screen and go through quickly about what CROO is building on the technical structure side. Okay, I guess everybody can see my screen, right?
Yes,
Okay,
yes.
nice. Nice, thanks. So I guess I'll just start directly from what we are building. So what the problem, as we shared last time, the crew want to solve is because right now it's like everybody can build agents on yourself. So we saw the trends of like 1,000 of the developers are building 10,000 different agents, like doing different things like initiate the workflows, doing the research, making content and everything. But right now, your agents can only work for you, even though it's an AI labor force, but it's more like a personal AI labor force. So we are thinking like, can we connect the agents to agent network, which makes the ability of your agents can be packaged as expertise in a monetization service that can serve other people and earn money for the agent creators. But right now, if we want to achieve that, there is a gap, which is there's no like unified commercial paths for those agents. And also there's no place for your agents to be discovered by other people. And also at the same time, your agents is very hard to get paid. And also, if you agents has like served other people and has earned a good reputation, how to showcase and reuse the reputation and to get more clients, more consumers in the future. So that is why we build CROO, which is the decentralized infra for the agent economy that onboard your agents into agent to agent and also agent to human network to make your agent monetizable. So that is what we are trying to achieve. So to realize that, we build a workflow, and this is just a brief intro. Later, I will show the demo about like how you can actually onboard. So the flow is mainly like you have your own local agents and then can connect it through the CROO protocol, which means your agents can get his wallet, get his reputation, and also is able to get paid from other humans or agent. And then the third step is to onboard it into agent store, which is discovered by other agents, by other humans, and also provide service to other people. And the last stage which is not realized yet. It's gonna be in Q3 this year, which is we are trying to make agents to be tradable, just like assets. Like if you are running a SaaS business, doing a small company and making a recurring revenue, but right now your company is actually the agents, then you can actually sell the agents and transfer the ownership to another person. So that is what we are going to achieve in Q3 this year. But right now we are at the stage of the third step, which is the agent store. And also, as most of people in the call, I believe you are already building something. So we also love to dive a little bit deeper into the technical structure about like the tech infra that we are using right now to achieve the target that we just introduced. So there are basically four different layers here that we are building, and also building on top of the four different layers, we are building three core pillar products. So in terms of the technical layer, the first one is the identity, access, and reputation layer. This is mainly to make each of the agents can have its own wallet, identity, and reputation. We're using the ERC 8004 and also the ERC 4337 as the wallet. And also the second layer is the discovery and capability layer. That is a part that to have your agent register your skill, which is like, for example, I create agents, which has a workflow of creating the content and also posting content automatically. Then that kind of skill I can register through the CROO protocol and also to set the standard schema, which means my agent's ability can be set as the deliverable service and also to be discovered by other agents. And third layer is the coordination and commerce protocol. And that is mainly to have a standardized order lifecycle, which is like you already just be discovered by another person, and then to have the negotiation, log the terms for a service, and then to deliver the proof. And in the end, to like execute the payment from the client. And last layer, the execution and hosting is mainly about like how to make the agent ownership transfer. But they probably haven't realized that yet. So I'll just skip it. And maybe in the future, we can have a chance to talk again. I will definitely dive deep more into this part. And on top of the whole tech structure, we are building three products. The first is the CROO agent protocol, the CAP, which is the standard for agents to be connected by other agents or other people. And second is the agent store, which I'm going to do a demo very soon. And the third is the agent exchange, which is the assets trading exchange for transfer your agents to another owner. So this is mainly the whole like technical structure from our projects. I think for the rest of the deck, it's better to do the demo rather than just walk through the deck. Let me switch to another page. Okay, I guess everybody can see the agent store page, right? Okay, cool. Then this is our agent store page. I will introduce from two different flows. The first flow is from the user's perspective, and another flow is from the developer perspective. I understand that everyone in this call, you are more like from the developer perspective, but I will also introduce the user's flow because it's better to understand like how your client is going to use your agent. So actually the first time when the users enter this page, there will be a pop-up window, which is asking you if you are agent or human. It's not my first time to get into the page, so I don't have that window yet. But that window is because some of the consumers, they are not like manually enter this page. They are using their open cloud or cloud code to ask their agent to find the best service from our website. So that's why there is a case which is not human visiting this page. So if the client is choosing I am agent, then we are going to give the clients very direct documents for their agents to call the agents on our website. But normally, if they are choosing human, then they will just enter this page. So in this page, first they can just have an overlook about like what kind of agents we are having right now, including the several popular ones here, including the KOL agents, also the chatbot, but mainly the Nancy Forward one, and also the several like agents helping to do trade and help the Web3 projects doing advertisement and extra. So this is about like how they can discover the agents, but this is more like the very old school way. Right now, we are providing a new way for the users to discover the agents, which is here. We create a small product called the Navigator that you can just click here. Oh, sorry, my session expired. I guess I need to sign in again. Give me a second.
Also, I'm not sure if it's just me or Leo's screen is like really far away. Could could you zoom a bit?
Yeah, for sure. Let me see. It's getting better. Yeah,
Well, try again. Yes, better. Thank you.
yeah. Thank you so much.
Wait, hold on, hold on. I think it's too zoomed in.
Oh, really?
Oh, no. Okay. Yeah, oh, no, it's fine. I was the one who was zoomed in, sorry. My bad. I apologize.
Oh, no worries. Yeah, I think it's maybe a little bit laggy here. So yeah, I'm trying to zoom in and out to find the best angle. Okay, cool. I logged in and yeah, so we are here about the navigator. So in the navigator, it's mainly like describe what kind of agents you want to discover with natural language. For example, I am an influencer. I would like to find something help me run my social media, create content and post. Yeah, something like that. Then our navigator will discover what kind of agent is the best fit for you. So like obviously here is the Pygmalion, the AI agent, AI KOL agent studio, and you can see if the service is providing can actually fit what you are going to what you need, and if it's okay for you, then select showcase what kind of the service is providing, including, for example, this one has the, if you just wanted to create a text content, then you can choose this one. But if you want to image, this one, video, and also they are having some kind of like subscription, like monthly plan, monthly image plan, monthly video plan, etc., and can choose the best service that fit your needs. So I think this is right now the main way for our users to look for the agents from Create and Store. So here is mainly from the user's perspective. And then from the developer's perspective, what you can do to onboard agents, first is to choose here, register agent. And then just like how you are like a register application in the App Store, choose avatar for your agents. I'll choose a random one and maybe just a Web3 Dev Clubs and register agent. Then it's going to ask you to sign and give you an API key. You need to save this API key. Later, when you onboard agents to the agent store, you're going to need to put the API key into your code. And after choose done, it will jump into a configure agent page. So on this page, several things you do. The first is on the basic info part to describe what kind of service you are providing, and then to choose what is the category your agent is, and then to add a service. For the service, yeah, I'll just put something random here to describe your service name, the price, and also describe what kind of service it is. And also to set an SLA, which is how much going to take for your agents to provide the result of the service to your clients. Let's say maybe just 2 minutes. Oh, at least five, sorry, 5 minutes. And then choose next. And then that is how you can add the service here. And for one agent, you can actually add multiple service. So this is about like the basic information part. Another part is like to configure the agents. For here, I guess maybe later when there is some question about this, Ray can help to answer. But to be honest, me myself, I don't actually understand the mechanics here. So it's mainly like from the non-technical background guy like me. What I'm doing is just to send all the requirements here to my Cloud Code or to my Codex. And also there is the documents, and I am also giving the documents to my Cloud Code as well. And ask my Cloud Code like, okay, here's documents. I want to use it to onboard the agent into the agent store. And also, I'll give my agent to my Cloud Code to say, okay, this is the product I want to onboard here. Then for me, I have onboarded several agents into our own agent store. For my experience from no tech backgrounds, normally it take quite short time, sometimes a few minutes if there is no blocker. Sometimes there are some problem need to solve and take less than 1 hour to onboard agents into the agent store. And then that's it. That's everything. But sometimes the agents is not really functionable. For example, it doesn't work, or it's like the service you are describing here does not match the service you are actually giving to the users. So our team is actually reviewing all the new agents on a daily basis. If there are some problem with agent, need some optimizations, our team will delist the agents, but we're going to like announce that in our community and to tell you the reason. So if you find your audience sometimes got delisted, you can find the reasons in the community announcement. And also our team is over there to help you to like optimize your audience and then list them again. So this is basically clear about like how to onboard an agent into the agent store. And another thing I can share a little bit more before we can have the Q&A session is the several campaigns we are running. So as we introduced last time, we are running several campaigns, including the hackathon, and also including there's leaderboard for developers. Also there is onboarding bounty. And actually everything is in, let me find this page. 1 second. Campaigns at CROO.network. So we are putting everything together in this page, which is CROO campaign nest. So the reason why we are launching so many campaigns at the same time is because, as you know, we are a platform, and we are a platform which is actually facing both sides, face the supply side from the developers, and also face the demand side from the consumers. So for this kind of products, because actually it's not my first time to do this kind of like platform product. Before that, I'm doing the platform for gaming. So I understand like at the beginning, we actually need the very high quality and good partners from the supply side, which for this case is me like the amazing developers to be onboarded and also to onboard your amazing agents into our network. So that's why we are giving incentives from the beginning and try to gather good developers to onboard their efficient agent into the network. So the first campaign is mainly the hackathon. So the hackathon right now, I think we got almost like 50 builds submitted, which means there are around like 50 projects and also around 250 hackers already onboarded. And also the total price pool is $10,000. And also as like we introduced last time, there are 6 tracks here from research, data, creator contents, DeFi, and developer tooling. But actually the hackathon is very open. We understand there are some like very good agents which can hardly be categorized into the 5 tracks here. So there is also open track, which is welcome all kinds of agents, no matter like if it's beyond our imagination, that is also okay to be onboarded into the hackathon. So if you want to register the hackathon, can just click here to submit a builder. I'm not logged in, so I cannot like walk through the whole process for the hackathon. But as far as I know, the process is basically quite easy. What you're going to need, the information you have is basically already covered in the process when you register your agents into the agent store. So nothing special that you actually need to do here, but maybe just like more detailed description about your projects, about what is the purpose, what kind of problem you're going to solve, and also how it works to have the description. And also, I remember that in the process of submitting the builder, you are also going to need to submit a demo video. That is must have in the process of submitting application. The video is mainly like easier for our team and also for the several judges we have invited to like understand easily about what your project is about, and also to learn more about yourself, or maybe you have a team or something. So the demo video is actually quite necessary for the hackathon. And right now we have like 12 days left. But as I always like communicate with the our participants in the community. Normally it's quite easy. If they already have an agent or have a product, it's very easy for you to get your agents onboarded into the hackathon. Yeah, even though you want to create something new, as right now the AI coding tooling is very powerful, it will not take like too long time to do this. So this is the first campaign. And the second one is our leaderboard. So in this leaderboard, very similar to what like Google Play or like App Store is showing that based on the revenue, which here is the TVL on a monthly or weekly basis, or based on the number of the orders that you can compete on the leaderboard. For example, if your agents maybe not so competitive in terms of like getting revenue, like maybe you are setting a very low price, but so many clients really like your agents, they're using it, even though they are not paying too much. You can still like compete in the orders leaderboard, determined by how many orders you have on a monthly basis, can earn the prize pool like directly every week. And also we are giving a rising star, which is by the end of the month, because we understand that if you are not joining from the beginning, maybe it's very hard for you to just be very competitive in the revenue or orders like leaderboard. But if the agent already have a quite good quality and also beloved by the consumers, then we are also like manually choosing the rising star for the developers. So this is the second campaign. And the third one is a very simple one. This is mainly the onboarding bounty. So this is mainly to reward the developers who is like building with us from day one. It has the lower requirements compared to the leaderboard or the hackathon. So can just follow the step-by-step guideline here. And there is the $10 bounty for each of the developers who is onboarding their agents as the first 100 agents. I'm not sure about like how many has already like claimed the rewards so far, because last Saturday, when I'm participating in another event, my team told me there's still half of the bounty left, which is like already 50 of the agents developers claimed the rewards and around half left. But I will check the number later and share maybe in our like small group to make it like transparent to for the community to know like how many rewards left for the onboarding bounty. Yeah, but there should be a lot left because this is not like launching the day one. So here are the three campaigns we are launching. So in summary, there's everything that I guess everybody can do. The first is to register as a developer and onboard your agents into the agent store. And then after you onboard it, it's already ready to earn revenue and also to face the customer for you. And after you already onboard the agents into the agent store, so you can just use the agent and also use the information of the agents to register the hackathon. And then if your agency is performing actually really good, then there's a chance for you to compete on the leaderboard. And also don't forget if you are the first 100 to get the onboarding bounty. Yeah. I think that's pretty much from my side to show the demo. And yeah, welcome to all the questions and also to all the suggestions. We are also a project which is quite new, so I really hope to get a chance to grow together. So if there's any suggestions or maybe think that something we can do better, welcome to all the ideas. Thanks.
Thank you so much, Leo, for that brief and concise overview. So yeah, so I don't know, are there any questions after you to open mic, mute, and
Gabriel, you can go ahead.
Oh, hello, everyone. I wanted to ask, so are we committing our entire code base to the CROO network when signing up your agent?
Oh, thank you, Gabriel. That's a really nice question. I will answer first, and also if there's anything that Ray want to add, feel free to chime in. So our project actually for current stage, which is we launched the agent store. On this stage, you don't have to actually submit your code base to CROO. Your code base is still like safe in your local devices, because the logic for the CROO agent store, that one agent providing the service to another human or another agents, it's like actually you are providing the result of your service. So it does not mean that another person already get your agents to work for them directly, but still your agent is on your own devices. For example, you are setting a workflow through your open cloud. I'll take the case again, which is like creating the content. So we say I'm your customer, and I'm like calling your agents to provide the service to me. I'm asking you to create this kind of the like a video content, which is the demo of CROO. Then this is my requirements. So on your side, what you're actually doing is you're still using your open cloud on your own devices, take the requirements and then to generate content, and also follow the CROO protocol standard to deliver the result of the content as I required into CROO network and to make it visible to me. And in the whole process, no matter it's from the CROO network side or from me as the client side, no one can get access to your code base. It's still on your personal devices. So this is on the current stage. But another thing is in the future stage, when we launch the CROO exchange, which is like if you want to sell your agents to another person, which is transferring the ownership, then the new person can definitely get your code base. But on that stage, we are going to have a method which is to keep the code base in the third party from the beginning. After the payment is done and the two parties are satisfied, then the agent will be transferred the ownership. But that is not the current stage. It's more like Q3 in this year. So right now, the situation is like nobody can get access to your code base.
Thank you. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you for the question.
Anybody else with a question? Mhm. Okay,
Yeah.
so I think I'll just go on, Uchi.
Oh no, I was just saying, just a few points. So, so CROO has a Discord link page, a community group that if you're taking part in the hackathon, you can ask questions there if you get stuck. We also have our own community. We've built our own group for specifically those taking part in the hackathon. So, given that we are a building block, please feel free to ask in our group for any kind of assistance that you may require. Also, we're working together as Web3 clubs. So if you're stuck, ask there. I'm sure someone will assist. The first person to deploy, please feel free to even share. We're happy to get on a call together and just show us how you got yours done. And yeah, so even those who feel like they're not strong, we will carry one another. So we'll get help from our own members. So another thing is I'd advise everyone to deploy a project individually, but if you want to get in teams, please feel free to do that as well. Yeah, and then I think the link to the hackathon is there, the link to the Discord. If you haven't joined the WhatsApp group, I'm gonna please let me know. I'll send you the link. Or Washuka will send you the link. I think that's it from me. I don't know if there's anything I've left out.
Thank you so much, Roji. It's super helpful.
Covered
Alrighty.
everything. Are we ending the session at 8:41 like last time? This is nice. So now we have time to go brainstorm.
Yeah,
So yeah, it's like 1 hour.
and if people have ideas and they want to see if those ideas are valid, or you can feel free to share on this call. If your day is too precious, don't. But if you need any kind of validation, feel free to ask before we end the call. I think we can end the call at like 1:15, right? Washoka?
Yeah, cool.
Alrighty. Alrighty. Cool. Sorry, Leo, how many submissions so far? I left it at 30. How many are we now?
For the hackathon is 49 projects submitted. Yeah.
49. Okay. So around 19 submitted between our last call and this call. Like a week, yeah, our call was on Wednesday. Cool.
Yes.
Nice. So we can probably push some good number of projects from this side.
Yeah, that'll be amazing.
Yeah, that would be lovely. Okay, cool. I guess there are no questions. Okay. Someone is joining just now. Yeah, so we'll also share this recording in the group. I think tonight or tomorrow. So for those who may have missed the session or just joined late, the recording is available, and it's been a very brief session. So yeah. Oh, there's a question on the chat. I have so this is Patrick. Can the CROO agent interact with some of the chains like Base? And then
Oh yes. Yeah, that's a great one. I think two perspective. Also, Ray can chime in. I think first one is actually the base chain is the main chain that we're using right now. For example, as we share that every agents we are creating identity and also a wallet for you, and that identity is actually on base. So we will say like base is our main chain that we are using. And the second perspective is we saw some of developers, they are creating the agents, which is like more like trading agents. For example, doing the swap of the token from one chain to another, something like that. So on that part, it's actually not from the crew side, but it also is mainly like from the developer side that based on the functions of the agents. If this is on-chain agents or crypto agents, then you can interact with all kinds of chain that fit your agent's functions. That is quite open because yeah, that is mainly from your side to make the decision. Yeah, I hope this have answered your question. Yeah, and also about the one from CMG. Oh yeah, yeah. Thank you for sharing the links. I was about to share the same link.
yeah, so the hackathon is on Dora Hacks. That's where you sign up. If you search for projects, you'll see CROO. We've also shared the link. You can see projects that have been submitted on the link I just shared. So anyone with the last questions? No? Alrighty. Awesome. Okay. For those who are taking part in the core 10 classes, we'll see you on Wednesday. The rest of us taking part in the hackathon, let's continue talking in the group. And please feel free to engage the CROO team on the Discord as well. Thank you so much, Leo. Uh, and uh, and yeah, catch up with everyone later. Have a
Yeah,
good
thank you
evening.
so much, Ochi, Masuka, and also
Bye,
everybody in the call.
guys.
Yeah, it's a great pleasure to meet everybody. Thank
Nice
you.
meeting you.
Yeah,
Pleasure.
time to watch World Cup.
Bye bye.